What is going on, you guys? It is VapeTech Unboxed, and I am back with another freaking awesome video. In today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at the LG Audio lineup speakers. Yes, you heard that right. But before we begin the video, I just want to say I hope you're all having a fantastic day or night wherever you are, and I love you guys, but you already know that. Now let's jump into this video. Alright, as I said, bam, we've got some LG bam audio speakers. Bam. And then we've got a big boy. I don't think he's gonna fit, but there he is. We're gonna do our best to get all these in view in just 1 minute. But before we begin the video, I just have to shout out John Min Kim for hitting me up and asking me if I would review the LG audio lineup. So he did send me 4 speakers and we're going to be reviewing them. There will be some upcoming videos about each speaker specifically, but for right now we're just gonna unbox them, take a good look at them, and let you guys see them, and that way you guys know which kind of speakers you want to go for. We'll be going over prices and all that fun stuff. Let's start with the small ones and then we'll make our way up to the larger ones. So let's get these off the table and let's take a look at these speakers. That's a big boy. So here's the first one we've got. Let's go ahead and get it out the bag real quick. And let's take a look at it. Here we go. Get that out of here. This one says LG Portable Speaker PK3. Now, on the website, it does have a name change. It is LG XBOOM GO PK3. This one here is going to run you $89.99. If you're interested in picking up any of these speakers, all of the links are going to be down below in the description as always. The LG XBOOM GO. This is what it looks like. A nice size for a portable speaker. Take this with you when you're traveling, all that fun stuff. LG portable speaker with Meridian technology. All right, let's see some of the specs. Let's see, powered by Meridian, bass EQ modes for rich bass, tuned by Meridian, extreme battery life. This has up to 12 hours of playback. Stream high resolution audio files from your Bluetooth device using aptX and AAC. Dual passive radiators. This delivers deep bass and richer sound, and it is water resistant. It's IPX7 certified for outdoor use. If you're by the pool, this is the speaker you want to take with you for sure. Now let's break into this box. Again, 90 bucks for this one. You know, if you know LG speakers, they are worth the money to the fullest because these things are gonna last you. You're gonna buy one speaker for the year and you're gonna be good to go. Now let's just decide which speaker it is that best fits you. Now, opening in the box, we've got some, you know, your usual papers and instructions. Some paper, get that out of here. And nothing else in the box. We're just gonna get that out of here. And we got the speaker, and that's it. Get that out of here. All right, so here we go. In the box, we've got a cable. So they do send you with the cable. This one here is a USB to USB-C. I always like that. Get that out of here. Let's get the speaker out. Now, like I said before, this one's a nice travel speaker. If you're going on vacation, you're traveling a little bit, this is definitely gonna be the speaker that you take with you. If you're out by the pool, this one's it right here. This is the one you want. This is a perfect size for traveling, perfect size for out by the pool lounging. Look how nice it is. And it's a solid build. This is a nice solid build. You got the speakers here in the front. It looks very rugged. It looks very nice to take with you. Like when you're out by the pool, everybody's gonna be asking you what kind of speaker you got there. It has a little bit of LG company branding here. On the top here, we've got our power. Makes a nice little sound. Bluetooth, it's ready to pair. Volume down, volume up, pause and play. This is where I guess you can use it as a speakerphone. That's nice. And enhanced bass is already turned on. Then we're gonna get a little LED light for our battery. Your mic is gonna be right over here. It does have some little feet, so it's gonna stay wherever you put it. On the back side, if you got some nails, you definitely can. It just flips open like that. That's where you're gonna plug in your USB-C to charge the speaker. You also have port in and reset. All right. So we're gonna take a listen to these all in just 1 minute. I wanna get them all unboxed first, so that way we can take a look at our options. Then we'll definitely do some sound testing, and then we'll do some upcoming videos about this bad boy. All right, so we just turned it off. We'll place that off to the side. Let's break open the next one. I apologize if this video is gonna be a little long. Just bear with me, we have a lot of cool speakers to look through. Next one up, getting a little larger. Bam, this one here says LG portable speaker PK5 with Meriden technology. Now this one's name has changed to the LG XBOOM GO PK5. This one's gonna run you $129.99. Again, link in the description. Let's go ahead and take a look at this bad boy. Portable speaker PK5, this is the LG XBOOM PK5. All right, let's see. We got some specs. Let's take a look at it. 4 EQ modes. We got dual passive radiators, deliver deep bass and richer sound. High fidelity streaming, stream high resolution audio files from your Bluetooth device using aptX-D and aptX and AAC. Weather and splash proof, so it is IPX5 certified. So you can have this out when it's, you know, a little drizzling, that's fine. Extreme battery life, this gives you up to 18 hours of playback. So if you want a little bigger speaker to go with you and you want something that's gonna last you a little longer, definitely through most of your day, this is gonna be it right here. So let's go ahead and break open the box and let's take a look at this one. I mentioned this one's a little bigger. We're gonna go bigger and bigger. Get this out of here. Boom, okay. There's the speaker. This box is a little too big for me to throw, so get that out of here and get that out of here. All right, here we go. We got the speaker. Let's see what comes with it. Here we go. Nothing else in there, get that out of here. You get another cable. This one also comes with a USB to USB-C. So you got your cables covered and your books to read and all that junk. All right, put that off to the side. This is what we want to see right here. And let's get this open. Woo, that's beautiful. Now that, my friends, is a beautiful speaker. This one is beautiful. Let's take a look at this bad boy. Wow, look at this. This is nice. This one's definitely more rugged looking than the last. It is a bit bigger. Ooh, this one's a nice speaker. I like it. Even has like a little handle kind of thing. So if you need to walk around with it, carry your music with you on the go, they got you covered. Again, some LG logos right there. We got your power on, Bluetooth mode, volume down, volume up, pause, play. This one here is for your mic, clear vocal. We're gonna have to see what that is. An enhanced bass, again, a battery LED here, your mic right here. Your speakers are right in the front here. This is so nice. It is heavy. This one does have some weight on it for sure. Now let's pop open this back. Here we go. So on the back side, you've got your USB-C in, you've got your port in, reset, and this one, I don't know what that button is for, but we're gonna definitely take a look at it. Okay. I think that button there is to change your modes. But anyways, here's the next one up. Again, $130. So they do go up in prices because you are paying more. You know, you're getting more for your money. That's the difference between the two so far. $90, $130. You get what I'm saying. You definitely pay for what you get. Next one up, we've got, it's a big boy. Bam. All right, this one says LG ThinQ speaker. This one is the WKM7 with Meriden technology, but the name has changed. And the name for this one is the LG XBOOM AI ThinQ WK7 with Google Assistant built in. Now this one, again, is gonna run you $130. So $130 for this one as well. If you need some Google Assistant, you got it right here. It says high res audio and Google Assistant built-in speaker. This is, you know, this is what you can say to your Google. Just start with, hey Google, play some jazz, play some music. Technology with Google Assistant for smarter way to enjoy high quality audio. Okay. Manage everyday tasks and control your smart home devices with Google Assistant. So if you have a smart home, this is gonna be the speaker for you. Like I said, every speaker is for somebody different. If you are all about the smart home stuff, then this is gonna be the one that you want to pick up. Let's get it open. 130 bucks for this one. I might have to stand for this one. Let's see. Okay, opening it up, we've got our, get started. This is gonna show you how to work everything. All right, get that out of here. I only got two hands, so I had to move it off to the side real quick. All right, that is what comes in the box. There's nothing in there. We're just gonna get that out of here. Let's get these out of here as well. Okay. And this is everything you get. Nothing else in there. Get that out of here. Your normal reading material. We're just gonna throw that to the side. Get that out of here. And all right, get that out of here. All right, let's get this out of the bag real quick. Okay, now this is a big boy. All right, get that out of here. Here is your power cord. Now with this, it does tell me that it's gonna be a stationary device. I'm not sure, but we're gonna take a look at it. All right, this one does have Wi-Fi and all that good stuff. So you're gonna have to install the Google Home app, and that's how you're gonna get this to work. But here's your power cable. Plug it into the wall. Plug this into the speaker, you're good to go. Here's what the speaker looks like. Has a little Google Assistant logo here. That's pretty neat. Pause and play. This here is your function LED, your Google Assistant. So when you wanna talk to Google, you long press that. The F button in the middle is to change function. Tap F to change function. And then volume up, volume down. Pretty simple. Now on the side here, let's see if I can get it. It's really heavy. You have a little button here. This button right here is gonna enable and disable your microphone. So pretty snazzy. This is an actual humongous speaker. Like, it's pretty big. This one's definitely for in the house kind of use. So you wanna set this up nicely wherever you're at. You know, if you're partying in the living room, if you're gathering with friends in the bedroom, the studio, wherever you're at, you're gonna want this speaker to be in that room. This one here is definitely for all you people who are into the smart home technology. This one's gonna be for you. Got a little bit of LG company branding on the bottom. You have a reset button, and then you have your DC in. That's where you're gonna put in your power cable. Nice freaking design though. This is real nice. So you're gonna get all around sound, if you know what I mean. This thing, no matter where you put it, is gonna sound great in your home for 130 bucks. Like I said before, these speakers are definitely going to last you. LG lasts a long time. So if you need one speaker for the year, this one's gonna be it right here. Let's put this off to the side and take a look at our last one. Okay, you guys ready? This is a big boy and it is heavy. So let's take a look at this one. Bam! This one is the LG portable speaker PK7 with Meriden technology. Again, a name change. It is now called the LG XBOOM GO PK7. This one here is the big boy, and it is going to cost you a little bit more, running in at $229.99. So 230 bucks, but it is a big boy. If you're looking for a big boy speaker, this one's gonna be it. Now let's take a look at it. 130 bucks. It is very heavy. Like, take it from me, it's super heavy. We got some specs here. It says powered by Meriden, 4 EQ modes. We got extreme battery life. Now this one's gonna last you all day, up to 22 hours of playback. So if you wanna listen to your music literally all day, you definitely can. This one is weather and splash proof, coming in at IPX5 certified for outdoor use. Dual tweeters and passive radiators enhance the sound balance with smooth vocals, delivers deep bass and richer sound. Stream high resolution audio files from your Bluetooth device using aptX XD and aptX and AAC. Now for the big boy, I do have to stand up. Unfortunately, I can't do it from behind the camera because it's huge and it's heavy. Now opening it up, we've got, whoa, it's gonna hit the camera. Okay, it did. If I'm close to the mic, I'm sorry. Nothing there, get that out of here. This is a big boy. Whoa, this one's heavy. Bam, there's the big boy right there. Nothing else in the box. Get that out of here, whoa. We got a box. Okay, here we go. Inside the box, what do we get? What do we get? Nothing else in there, get that out of here. And let's get this bad boy open. This one is heavy, but it does come with multiple cables, so let's take a look at them. Get that out of here. This one's gonna be for, okay, this is your cable. It does come with like a cable brick kind of thing. This plugs into your speaker. Then we need the power cable to plug into this power brick portion. This is gonna give you a lot longer range, so if you want to listen to your music while it's charging, then this is going to help for that because it's literally going to be super long. Okay, we're not going to take it out, but you get the point. This hooks into here. This side hooks into the wall. This side into your speaker. It's very long, so you can charge it up and listen at the same time. Reading materials, we're gonna put that out to the side too. Now that we got that out of the way, let's show you guys the speaker. Now this speaker is a big freaking speaker. If you're looking for that one portable, it is still like a portable speaker because you can definitely take it with you outside. You can take it with you wherever you're going. This one's gonna be good for like outdoor birthday parties, outdoor parties. Like I know for my family, we do a lot of gatherings for birthdays, and a lot of the time it's at the park because there's a lot of little kids that we have in our family. So a lot of times it is at a park. This speaker is definitely going to be the speaker I take with me when we have those events because it's large. You're gonna get the best sound out of this one. The whole family is gonna be able to hear it no matter what part of the park they're at. And it is, you know, if it rains a little bit, this is gonna survive that. Probably not something that you would take to the pool like this one. This one's definitely a pool kind of speaker. So if you're out by the pool lot, I would take that one. Even this medium one is okay for the pool. But this one's gonna be my family event kind of speaker. I'm gonna take it with me when I have family events, stuff like that. So on the top here, you've got your LED for your battery, your power, your Bluetooth, volume down, volume up, pause and play, your microphone, clear vocal, enhanced bass, and then there's your little microphone right there. Really big speakers, so you can imagine the sound that's gonna come out of this. On the back, and it is heavy, but you can also carry it with this handle here, like I mentioned with the other one. You can carry it with that. It makes it a little easier to hold. Okay, flipping it to the back. On the back side, we'll just open this part up, and we've got DC in, port in, reset button, and again, this little button, it has like a plus sign with cards. I think this is gonna be your mode button. So when you wanna change modes, and then you got a little LED light there. Again, we're gonna test all this out. We're gonna do an in-depth video on all of these speakers. Right now, I'm just showing you guys them, unboxing them, showing you what they look like, in case you're in the market for some speakers. That's what this video is for. We're gonna have other videos that is gonna be showing you each speaker individually, how they sound, and then we're gonna round it off and I'm gonna tell you which one I think is the best. This is the last one we've got. This is the big boy. Now this video has ran into a pretty long video. I don't wanna run it much longer. So our next video, we're gonna be doing a test on all of these. We're gonna see what they sound like. That'll give me some time to hook all these up, and then I'll show you guys what each and every single one of them sound like. So yeah, I think we'll take it to that video next because this video has ran too long. So if you guys want to see how each of these sounds, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, stick around, and wait for the next video because I will be showing you all that. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, and that way you get notified when I upload the next video so you guys can hear all these speakers and see which one I think is the best. If you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like. Again, shout out to John Min Kim. Thank you for sending these out. And also thank all of you guys for watching my videos and supporting me. I appreciate every single one of you guys. If you guys want to follow me at any of my social media links, all that's going to be listed down below along with my other channels, and all of the links for these speakers will be down below as well. So go pick you guys up a speaker. Let me know which one you end up picking up. That is going to wrap it up. I love each and every single one of you guys. Y'all better stay freaking dope, and I will catch you in my next video.